Hey there, Pete Moriarty, and in this video, 5 things that Dialpad does your current phone system does not, and why you're going to be crazy excited to jump onto Dialpad. Number 1 killer feature of Dialpad is that Dialpad comes with you everywhere you are. Whether you're working from your laptop or working from a mobile device, anywhere you are in the world, you're able to make and receive your business calls. Now, what does that look like? Well, that's as simple as firing up the Dialpad app on your mobile, and from that app, you can make and receive business phone calls using your business landline. But the key thing is here that wherever you are, if you pick up your mobile number and you dial one of your customers, well, it's not going to expose your mobile phone or your personal mobile number to your customer. Not only great for you, but great for staff that are on the road as well. And anywhere in the world, you being able to make business calls from any device will mean that you're not ever chained to your office, and your customers will be able to keep connected with you. Second key feature, and this is one of my favorites running a service business. With Dialpad, you can not only see calls that come to yourself personally, but you can see all calls in and out of the company mainline. So if you're a business owner or a business manager and you want to be able to monitor who of your customers are calling and what calls are going in and out, you can see every single call in and out of the business. Now, what this also allows you to see is which customers abandoned a call, who called you and didn't get their call answered, or maybe went to a call queue but dropped off, or they went to a menu and they didn't know what button to press, so they got confused and hung up. Well, you can not only see those calls, but you can call that customer straight back. And if you've ever called a large multinational or a call center and just given up because you didn't quite get the answers that you needed, that business is never going to call you back. They don't want your business, they don't want your call. But if you can return the favor for your customers, wow, that's amazing. And that's something that customers really, really appreciate. We've been running Dialpad for over a year now, and I'm really pleased to say that our customers love this when we call them back if they didn't quite complete a call. Maybe they got busy, maybe they got distracted, or maybe they couldn't find their way through our phone menu. But Dialpad gives you the ability to deliver great customer service by seeing who's calling. Next up is one of Dialpad's best features, and that's the ability to work with you, the modern worker. Now, whether you're using Office 365 or Google G Suite, you're able to synchronize all of your business data with Dialpad. So what does that look like? Well, that looks like when you're calling a customer, all of your contacts are going to be within Dialpad. So you can search for them by name instead of having to punch in their numbers or cut and paste their number. Now, it doesn't stop there. If you're using G Suite or Office 365, all of your business data is also synchronized right into Dialpad. So that means when you're on a call with a customer or a colleague, whether they're internal or outside the business as well, only a click away is all of your documents, any emails that you've sent them, any calendar events that you've got coming up, and yes, even their LinkedIn profile as well. Dialpad brings in all of that information right into the phone interface. And I just absolutely love that. It's like a little virtual personal assistant. When you're speaking to a customer, you've got all the information that you might need right there within Dialpad. Number 4 is killer voicemail, and this is one of my favorite features because it brings back a little bit of nostalgia. Now, take yourself back to when you used to have an old school answering machine, and when someone called your home phone and the answering machine played the answering machine message, you could hear someone leaving a message, and while that was playing, you could actually choose to run and pick up the phone if you knew who was calling and you wanted to take the call. Well, Dialpad gives you the ability to screen your voicemails, and what I mean by that is a call comes in, and it could be to the main line or it could be to your personal line, and you can actually click the screen call button, and what that lets you do is listen to someone leaving a voicemail, and if you choose, you can click the button and you can pick up and interrupt the voicemail and connect a call with that person. I love that feature. It's brought back the old days for me. Really, really cool. Not only does Dialpad do that with your voicemails, but it will transcribe them. You've got to be on the pro plan for that, but once they're transcribed, it will also save a recording of those voicemails straight in to your personal Google Drive. Number 5 killer feature of Dialpad is sexy statistics. Too many phone systems just completely hide away all of the back-end statistics and data, and if you want to run reports, it only comes in CSV format, and it's just too cumbersome to actually be useful for your business. One of the things that we love about Dialpad, and our customers love it as well, is the ability to get easy, real-time statistics right inside your Dialpad app of exactly how your business is performing. Now, not only does this show the activity of your your team members. It also shows your top performers. It shows how many calls are being missed. It shows who's answering their calls, and it shows the call flow right throughout your business. Absolutely brilliant. Great if you're managing a sales team or an ops team, but most importantly, great to see how your customers are being served when calls are coming in and out of your business. We forgot to add one of our points. So now this has become 6 features that Dialpad has that your current phone system doesn't. Well, the final one is recording calls. Dialpad gives you a really easy way to record calls in and out of your business. You have to activate that manually just by clicking the call record button. If you do go onto the Pro SKU, on the Pro plan, it's a little bit more expensive, but that does give you the ability to record all calls regardless in and out of the business and automatically. But otherwise, you just hit the button, you hit record, and it automatically records the call that you're on. Now, not only does it do that, at the end of the call, it'll save that call recording as an MP3. It retains them forever. You can either download them from the Dialpad app, or you can choose to have them automatically saved right into a folder within your Google Drive. So that's it. It was 5. It's now 6 killer features that Dialpad has that your current phone system doesn't. We hope you'll absolutely love Dialpad. If you haven't already, have a chat to our sales team. Contact details are right below, or head to itgenius.com, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.